Hello, welcome to another episode of More Photography. We are now currently hiking into Vøringsfossen, which is all the way in here, in this valley in here. So we're hiking down to the river down here, and then we will follow the river inwards. It doesn't seem that hard of a hike. We already covered almost half the way. You see the sign on this says 0.9 kilometers. It was 1.7 in the beginning. The weather seems nice and there's no snow or anything here, so I think it's gonna be a good hike. So today I did not bring much equipment. I only brought this camera, which is the Canon R5, and the wide angle lens 15 to 35. So with those two combined, there's a dual stabilization, which I'm testing out now, which I think is gonna be nice. You'll see when I guess I'll see when I get back to the post, or I'll see it in the post. But I think the stabilization is going to be really good on this one. It's a little bit heavy because of the lens, it's quite big. But yeah, that is my only equipment today. And I brought a tripod on the backpack. So I'm just aiming for some wide angle shots. Maybe use my model as well in one of the pictures. And then just do some landscape wide angle shots of the waterfall. I'm not sure if you can see it, but on the top there's a red building. That's where I was in the last episode. So that's on top of Vøringsfossen. Not last episode, but that's where I was in episode 12 or something. I can leave a link to it up here in the corners so you can see that one. But then I was on top looking down. So now I'm down and hiking in. So I will be at the bottom and looking up this time. I've never been here before, so it's gonna be quite exciting to see how it is in there. But yeah, that is the plan. And yeah, I hope you stay tuned and enjoy the episode. Alright, see you. He's in the water right now, fishing in the, not fishing, we're looking for food in the river here. Alright, so we got to the location, or at least we got to the bridge. The location is just over that hill. But my first mission is to put my model on the bridge, do a couple of shots. We're putting on the yellow jacket just to separate a little bit from the landscape. So I'm gonna do a couple of tries here. And first one, she's going to be a little bit to the left and waterfall to the right. Next, I think I'll go on the other side, try to get the waterfall like in front of her maybe. So let's see, I'm going to do a couple of shots, a couple of tries. I'm also going to do a little video when I get over there. So yeah, I have some ideas in my head, so let's see if it works. Alright, hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're now already on our way back, and I think the shoot went quite okay. We didn't push ourselves that much on the edge there. We were playing our cards a little bit more safely. So maybe there wasn't like the perfect position for the model, but I still think the pictures came out okay. So now we're on the way back. We're doing a little small coffee break and eating some food, and then we just head back to the car. So I think today was a good hike. I think we got some good results, and I hope you like it. Maybe tonight I'll do some night sky photography if the clouds clear up. So maybe I'll add that on the end of the video, maybe. Let's see. Otherwise, we were not that lucky with the weather. It's still shadow in the valley. The sun is coming forth a little bit now, but I still think that's going to be a couple of hours before it comes to the waterfall. So that was not on our side. I could probably plan it better, but I didn't think of it. But I think still I can make still overcast is a little bit good for the pictures. I can make them a little bit more moody maybe as well in editing. So let's see. So I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.